Hello, this is Jeremy from the J-Man family and J-Man Garage. Continuing work when I can on my 2008 Expedition with the 5.4 Trident. Just giving an update here. You can see I've taken it off more. I had to take off the crossover tube. I was putting a new thermostat in it to go with my new radiator and everything, but one of the bolts broke. So anyway, I had to take it off to get the to fix that bolt, but the bolt hole, threaded hole. But anyway, that's about ready to go on. But the other day I mentioned that I was going to do something with the valve covers, so I was going to give you an update on where I stand. Okay, so in the garage here, so here's my original valve covers. I was going to clean them all up, paint them with the same blue that I did. Showed here's my time and chain cover. It's all ready to go back on. So I thought about it. I mean, it's somebody that holds the coils on. I mean, a lot of those are cracked. A lot of this hardware, some of the bolts are rounded. I mean, all stuff that could be fixed. But I decided to go another route. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. So this is what I'm doing. I got brand new valve covers. These are actually from Ford. They're Ford Racing. You know, the pretty blue on them. There's the part number. You can see the date on it. It was made this year, so they're still making them, and they're made in the USA. Pretty awesome. Oops. So anyway, yeah, I got these. The price, I mean, is not much more than a brand new set of valve covers. Comes with, came with all the hardware, brand new hardware. The only thing it didn't come with is the oil fill. Now, what you expect you to do is take your oil fill off, which you pry this out and it twists off. But that thing's been on there, since since it was new. It's pretty brittle. I know I was going to break it, so I bought a Dorman, the standard Dorman replacement one, so I could put that on. One thing I was going to say about these valve covers is, I mean, they are identical. All the shape, everything is identical to the original. I mean, it's even got the tie down up top for your wires, your wire harness. It's got all the bolt, the locations for, of course, your coils. Most things that you look at, they all say that it won't fit. It's not applicable for a Expedition. Well, I mean, that's not true. A 5.4 is basically a 5.4 engine. I also did look at some blogs that people put in. They put some on their Expedition. So before I bought them, before I paid the money, I just went ahead and did that. I didn't want to have to send something back, but anyway, that's what I was going on the Expedition. So I will do some videos here when I get everything on and show what it looks like. All right, thanks. Like and subscribe.